heading back to Delicious Tuning to pick up the car. We're gonna do some more pulls today. I think we're gonna put some 100 octane in, and we'll see where it's at. I think we're the first car to tune on 91 out here in the West Coast. So the numbers weren't right there where some of the other guys are based on the fuel, but everything seems right. Obviously different dynos. So I'll go over all the numbers, where we're at, and what gains we got. So yesterday our first pull was 305, tires are spinning on the dyno, so we strapped it down some more. So that's our first baseline. It's really low, it's like 30 horsepower off than anybody else, but you know, it's a different dyno. So what we're looking for here is we're looking for starting gain to maximum gain. I think we got some stuff dialed in. I'm gonna put a link in the description how to get the car into dyno mode. That was our biggest holdup. There's some videos on the internet that just don't do the detailed steps. Tag anybody down below that gets the car dynoed in on 91 octane in California, Arizona, or wherever you guys might see it. So we can keep tabs and see if it's the dyno or the fuel. I'd like to see how accurate some of these things are. And what we're looking for here, though, is we're looking for the gain in between where we started, get a good solid baseline, and what we've gained from our tune. All right, looks like Bill's here. So we got the fuel, $9.26 a gallon. We're gonna do a couple baselines, get it on film today. We're gonna explain some stuff. So here's a slew of stuff that we've got going on all day from yesterday. We just got the 100 octane into the car, about 10 gallons worth. It's gonna take about 5 minutes to purge it out, the way the system works on this car. One thing he was just telling me, we got a valet mode built into this tune, into this module that'll be able to work through the app. And it limits the car to 250 horsepower, it limits the boost. I mean, it's 150 horsepower less than we tuned it for. So that's gonna be pretty cool. So this is the valet mode where we're limiting the car, it's super flat torque curve. So we just pulled it off the dyno. Everything looks good. The car, from turning it off and restarting it, will go out of the dyno mode. Turn this traction control off. We'll put it in sport mode. Let's do a pull. I can feel it.
Okay, go right. Yeah, that definitely feels a lot better.
It's consistent, it's solid. Yeah, I can feel a little difference. Turn around. Yeah, that one's it. It's good. Solid.
Feels way better.
Like you feel like those, you can feel those tires like kind of like just wanting to break, right?
Oh yeah. Before I kind of felt like it was okay. I wasn't, to be honest, I wasn't that